It is now time for the food section of our Istanbul videos. Now, we only ate out once, which was at Voy. And then we ended up here because Leo found it on YouTube. Obviously, he went there for the coffee. Turkish coffee doesn't tend to have milk in it. Turkish tea doesn't tend to have milk in it. So we didn't find kind of plant-based milk alternatives anywhere really. This was one of the few places that popped up. Obviously we can live without it, but if we're in the neighborhood, it was quite nice to go and have like an iced matcha latte, and Leo to have like a cappuccino. And it happened that they had this sandwich and it was amazing. Oh my God. It was a vegan club sandwich. It had roasted veg in the bottom, hummus, pepper spread, avocado, red cabbage. Oh my God, it was really, really good. But the thing is, this cost us 28 lira, I think it was, which isn't a lot of money. It is cheap. However, for 28 lira, we can go to the market, we can go to the supermarket, and we can just fill our boots with so much stuff. So that's why we didn't eat out a whole lot. Then we've got things like baklava and Turkish delight. We didn't manage to have any of this. We did, however, come across this. This is walnuts in grape molasses. And I was thinking, oh, it's going to be like sticky, and nope. It was really, really gummy. It was like a super thick jelly gummy sweet on the outside, which is why I'm having trouble with it. It wasn't overly sweet, even though it's molasses, but it was really, really nice. Now, we tried a fair amount of places. Just to briefly go back to the baklava. Baklava is the real deal out there, so it will have butter in it and honey, so that's out the window. But we were also told by every place that we went into that there was egg in the Turkish delight, which is crazy to me, but there we go. We didn't have any for that reason alone. Now you will find juice bars everywhere, like you have just seen there. So they're super cheap. So if you just need a quick pick-me-up, you can get like an orange juice for like 20, not even 20, like 2 lira or something, like super, super cheap. You will also find corn and chestnut places all over the place. Again, it's like 4 lira for a piece of corn, 10 lira for 100 grams of chestnuts. You're talking pence. And you've got markets like this. This is the spice market. This was my favorite store. We went back a couple of times. Olives, but not any old olives, char grilled olives. Oh, the food is just amazing. And down the road there was this supermarket, which we did like buy most of our dinners out of, because you have cool things like this. I remember these as a kid with like chocolate and the little breadsticks. This is like the Turkish equivalent. It is a mix of tahini and grape molasses. Now, we tried it on the first day and absolutely fell in love with this combination. Like, I need to go into Edinburgh and get me some grape molasses, because tahini and grape molasses is so, so good. But let me talk you through some of the other things we had. So this is roasted aubergine. We've got pickled mushrooms, pepper paste, fresh peppers. The tomatoes were amazing. We've got bread. I'll come back to that in a minute. Oh, you get these cans of like beans in tomato, or you get like fried aubergine in tomato. You've got so much stuff in the supermarkets. We were just spoiled for choice. And then down the road, there was this bread place, literally like a 2-minute walk from where we were staying. And if you look right in the back there, they've got like a proper oven. And this bread was incredible. It was 1 lira a piece. 1 lira, which is like 10p or something ridiculous. So we got treated really well with the food, but mainly through the supermarkets and not so much in the restaurants. I hope that helps if you're visiting. Go explore the supermarkets because they're amazing. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I will see you again soon.